Have you ever struggled to remove artichoke hearts? Today we're breaking down the easiest and most efficient way to prep an artichoke like a pro. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today we're mastering how to properly trim and remove artichoke hearts, making sure you get the most out of this delicious vegetable. Let's get started. First, let's understand the artichoke. The heart is the most tender part, found at the center beneath the fuzzy choke. The outer leaves are tough and fibrous and need to be removed before you reach the edible portion. And don't forget, the stem is edible but must be trimmed properly. Now on to prepping the artichoke. Start by removing the tough outer leaves one by one. Look for those yellow-green inner leaves. That's how you know you're getting closer to the heart. Trim the stem and peel the outer layer because the inside of the stem is tender and flavorful. Next, let's cut and clean the heart. Slice off about 1 inch from the top to expose the inside. Cut the artichoke in half for easier cleaning, revealing the choke. Use a spoon to scoop out the fuzzy choke since it's inedible. Trim any remaining tough parts around the base to ensure only the most tender heart is left. Preventing oxidation is key because artichokes brown quickly when exposed to air. Submerge them in lemon water to maintain their vibrant color and freshness. Keep them covered until you're ready to cook to preserve texture and flavor. Now, for cooking and serving those artichoke hearts. Steam or boil them for a soft texture. Perfect for dips or purees. Sauté with garlic and butter to enhance their natural flavors. Or grill them for a smoky, charred taste. Great for salads or appetizers. They're versatile enough for pasta, risottos, or sandwiches. Now you know how to perfectly trim and prep artichoke hearts. What's your favorite way to cook them? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to master more cooking techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert tips and tutorials.